In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Shopify Variant ID. Before we begin, here's why this matters. A variant ID is the unique identifier Shopify assigns to each version of a product, like different sizes or colors. You'll often need it for custom code, third-party apps, tracking, or when building links that add a specific variant to the cart. Knowing exactly where to grab that number saves time and avoids errors. Start by opening the Shopify website and head into your Shopify admin. From the admin dashboard, look for the Products section on the left and click it. This is where all of your items live. If you have a long list, use the search bar or filters to quickly locate the product you're working with. Once you spot it, click the product to open its details page. On the product page, you'll see the product information at the top, and if the item has options like size or color, a variant section below. Every product in Shopify has at least one variant, even if it's just the default one. Here's the key part. The variant ID appears above in the interface and also in your browser's address bar. When a specific variant is in view, look at the URL. You'll see a long number after the word variants. That number is the variant ID. Shopify may also display this number near the variant details at the top of the page, depending on your admin layout. If your product has multiple variants, make sure the one you want is selected so the page reflects that variant. The ID shown will change to match whichever variant is active. Don't confuse the product ID with the variant ID. The product ID appears after products in the URL, while the variant ID appears after variants. For apps and code that target a specific version of a product, you want the variant ID. To copy it, highlight just the number itself, avoiding any question marks or extra URL parameters. Right-click to copy or use your keyboard shortcut and paste it wherever you need it. If the interface shows the ID on the page, you can copy it from there as well. A quick tip: store it in a notes file with a label like T-shirt, blue, large, variant ID, so you can find it later without guessing. That's it. You've opened Shopify, clicked Products, selected your item, and identified the number above as the variant ID so you can copy and use it confidently. Thanks for watching and happy building.